Hi everyone, you're watching Shortcut to Shortcut. In this video, we'll take a look at how we might add a gradual zoom effect on your video clip like what you see on your screen. To do that, what I'd do is I'd click on this particular clip that I need to add the zoom effect on, and what I'll do, instead of just directly going into zoom and increasing the zoom level over here, what this is going to do is going to make a hard transition in terms of the zoom from one clip to another, and that's not what I want. So let's reset this back and click on this particular button called keyframes. Now when you go to keyframes, what you can actually do is you can add points in your video, and then for each point you can configure a different zoom level. What if I do is if I use this particular keyframe point, and if I take it to the section at the very end where I want the final zoom to happen, and then while my playhead is at this spot, if I increase the zoom level to, let's say, 150, and then if I move the frame, the section, to make it zoom exactly like that. So this is what I want the end result to be. And now what we'll do is we'll make it go gradually to that position. So let's come back to this first section where we'll add a keyframe, and then over here we'll reset the zoom level and also reset the other left and right positions. So now we have two keyframes. We have started off with the first one where it is just the default with the starting point of your frame, and then we have the ending point of the frame where we have set the zoom level of the final version of your frame. Now let's play this back and see what it looks like. So if I play this video, now you can see that it goes from the starting point to the ending point, and it gradually zooms into the area from the starting point to what you have set at the end frame. That is where it is gradually going into. Now, of course, if you want, you can add multiple frames over here so that maybe you want to change the way the zooming is currently happening for the frame. So let's say if I add one frame over here, and if I change this zoom, and if I change the position here, and then if I add another keyframe here and just adjust the zoom a bit differently. Now if we play this back, you can see now it actually moves in a completely different direction. So it's really up to what you like. You can see that it's moving from, it's moved to the center, then going to the left, and now it'll go to the right again. There you go. It's doing exactly what we had edited. Now, if you need to go back to your original screen where you were editing, you can just click on timeline, and then you will go back to the timeline view of your project. And then of course, if you click on this particular clip, go back to keyframes, you'll go back to being able to add or edit your keyframes effects. It really depends on what you like, you as the editor want to achieve, and based on that you can add the keyframes, and at each keyframe you can decide what would be the filter, what would be the size, the position, the zoom of this particular video at that particular keyframe, and then go from the starting point, the starting keyframe, to the ending keyframe, and then you can see how the video, how Shotcut automatically transitions the particular frame from the first keyframe to the last keyframe. That's it for this video. I hope you really found this video useful. It was a game changer for me when I really wanted to know how to add this particular effect for my videos, and I thought I'll just share this back. So I hope you like this video. Do give it a like, do comment down below, and let me know what your thoughts are on Shotcut and on adding these keyframes. And of course, share it with your network, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. That's it, folks. I will see you in another video. Bye for now.